In November 2019, Tesla unveiled its vision for an electric truck, sending shockwaves through the automotive industry that had seen little innovation in trucks for the past century. Elon Musk, the enigmatic CEO of Tesla, had been hyping the Cybertruck as the company's best product ever. Fast forward 4 years, and the first deliveries have finally begun. The journey to bring this seemingly impossible product to market has been challenging, marked by delays, technical hurdles, and the ambitious goal of reinventing the traditional truck. This is Money Dynamo. Subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss any of my videos. Elon Musk acknowledged the difficulties in building the Cybertruck, emphasizing its unique features and the challenges in achieving volume production and positive cash flow. The truck boasts a design that breaks away from the conventional with its stainless steel exoskeleton. This choice of material, while innovative, has presented its own set of challenges in terms of manufacturing and tooling. Musk describes the Cybertruck as an experiment, one that the entire automotive industry is watching with keen interest. The Cybertruck's exterior is crafted from a thick, ultra-hard stainless steel alloy developed by Tesla, the same alloy intended for use in the Starship rocket. The decision to use stainless steel was driven by a desire to have the hardest part of the vehicle on the outside, eliminating the need for delicate paint. The chief designer, Franz von Holthausen, highlighted how the material influenced the design, leading to a more angular and simplistic appearance that breaks away from the traditional look of pickup trucks. The distinctive design of the Cybertruck has been a topic of controversy. Industry experts and designers, including Frank Stephenson, known for his work on vehicles like the BMW X5 and the updated 2000 Mini Cooper, have expressed skepticism about its simplistic and aggressive design. Stephenson compares it to an origami style, describing it as angular and aggressive, evoking a sense of a bleak future. However, such uniqueness in design has become a trademark of Tesla, pushing the boundaries of what is considered conventional. When initially unveiled, the Cybertruck was slated for delivery in 2021 at a reasonable price, with 3 different versions. However, several delays later, the truck has undergone changes in specifications and pricing. The production challenges have been exacerbated by external factors such as the pandemic and disruptions in the global supply chain. Internal documents revealed the extent of delays in the development of the Cybertruck in 2022. Elon Musk confirmed that the design of the Cybertruck was finally locked by June 2022, marking a crucial milestone in its production timeline. The first Cybertruck rolled off the production line at Tesla's Austin Gigafactory, representing a major deviation from traditional manufacturing processes. The truck is over 90% different from existing vehicles, requiring a reinvention of the production process. The use of gigacasting, a manufacturing technique creating large, single-piece alloy castings, is expected to simplify construction but comes with its own set of challenges. One of the significant challenges in manufacturing the Cybertruck lies in the use of Tesla's custom ultra-hard stainless steel. This material, though durable, is notoriously difficult to work with, requiring unique presses and manufacturing processes. The angular and flat design of the Cybertruck further complicates mass production, making it harder to hide mistakes during the manufacturing process. Achieving a high level of fit and finish, as emphasized by Elon Musk, becomes a formidable task. The Cybertruck's reliance on Tesla's new 4680 cells for its battery adds another layer of complexity to its production. The decision to use this new cell form factor, still in its early stages, poses potential risks. The challenge lies not only in manufacturing the cells, but also in scaling production to meet the demand for a vehicle with such distinctive features. The Cybertruck's success is not solely dependent on overcoming manufacturing challenges but also on addressing service and repair complexities. Tesla has faced criticism in the past for its service-related issues, and introducing a new manufacturing process like gigacasting adds another layer of complexity to the servicing aspect. Despite the risks and delays, Tesla, under Elon Musk's leadership, has a history of taking on ambitious projects and pushing the boundaries of innovation. The Cybertruck, with its extreme design, new materials, and unique manufacturing processes, has the potential to be an iconic vehicle, setting new standards in the electric truck space. As the first vehicles reach customers and the Cybertruck debuts in Tesla showrooms, the company appears to be making progress, proving once again that it is unafraid to take risks in the pursuit of groundbreaking innovation. Looking ahead, the Cybertruck represents not just a vehicle but a bold venture into the future of electric trucks, showcasing Tesla's commitment to redefining the automotive landscape. With its radical design, innovative materials, and ambitious manufacturing processes, the Cybertruck stands as a testament to Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. What do you think of this design? Does it look innovative to you, or is it really quite sloppy? Let me know in the comments. As the automotive industry watches with anticipation, the Cybertruck has the potential to reshape perceptions and pave the way for a new era in electric vehicles. The road to Cybertruck's fruition is undoubtedly paved with challenges, yet Tesla remains resolute in its commitment to innovation. The use of gigacasting, a technique that streamlines production by creating large, single-piece alloy castings, presents a double-edged sword. While it simplifies construction, any manufacturing hiccup could result in scrapping substantial pieces, adding a layer of risk to an already complex process. However, Tesla seems undeterred, leveraging gigacasting to reduce assembly complexity and cost, ensuring uniformity in mass-produced products. Elon Musk's ambitious target of approximately 250,000 Cybertrucks annually raises questions about the scalability of this unique vehicle. Industry analysts speculate that reaching such an output rate may take until 2025, highlighting the unprecedented nature of scaling a vehicle that deviates significantly from traditional manufacturing processes. The truck's radical design, innovative materials, and intricate manufacturing techniques are not just a testament to Tesla's engineering prowess but also a potential harbinger of future trends in the automotive landscape. In addition to manufacturing complexities, the choice of Tesla's new 4680 cells for the Cybertruck's battery raises eyebrows. While these cells boast 10% higher energy than their predecessors, their production involves a confluence of new factors: a new building, new staff, a new cell chemistry, and new manufacturing equipment. Yet, amidst these challenges, there is a belief that the cells might ramp up faster than the vehicle's production, presenting a delicate balance between innovation and the need for reliable, efficient energy storage. The final frontier for the Cybertruck lies in the realm of service and repair. Tesla has historically faced criticism for service-related issues, and the introduction of gigacasting as a manufacturing process adds another layer of complexity to the servicing equation. The distinctive stainless steel exoskeleton, while providing unparalleled durability, presents a unique challenge in repairing scratches and dents, potentially driving up maintenance costs. As Cybertrucks hit the roads, the real-world implications of servicing and repairing this unique vehicle will unfold, impacting its long-term viability. In conclusion, the Cybertruck's journey from an audacious vision to a tangible product is a saga of ambition, risk-taking, and relentless pursuit of innovation. While challenges loom large, from manufacturing intricacies to service-related complexities, Tesla's track record suggests that the company thrives in adversity. The Cybertruck, with its avant-garde design and cutting-edge materials, symbolizes not just a revolutionary vehicle but a pioneering step towards the future of electric trucks. As it navigates the uncharted terrain of production scalability, battery technology, and service reliability, the Cybertruck stands as a beacon of Tesla's unwavering commitment to shaping the automotive industry's narrative and driving the world towards a sustainable energy future. Here ends the video, my friends. If you liked the video, do not hesitate to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to not miss any of our trips. Until next time.